basically there's 5 things. So we agree these are the 5 component pieces. So it's the first one is competitive alternatives. So who you compete with. Second one is unique features or capabilities. What do you got the competitors don't have? Next one is differentiated value. So what's the value that you can deliver for customers your competitors can't do? Next one is target customer segments. So you go sell to anybody, but some people really love your stuff. So who's your best fit customers look like? And then the last one is market category, which is, coming back to this idea of context setting. It's the context you position the product in, but it kind of answers the question, what is this? Like, is it email or is it chat? Is it CRM or is it team collaboration? So that's market category. So those are the 5 things.